In this next session in our video lecture series on factoring techniques, we will learn about factoring sums or differences of two cubes. Let's begin by examining pairs of factors. Make observations about them. What do you notice? How are they the same? Note how in each pair of factors, one factor is a binomial factor and the other is a trinomial factor. Note also that one term in the trinomial factor is the square of one term in the binomial factor. Next one, note how one term in the trinomial factor is the product of the terms of the binomial factor, but with a different sign. Lastly, note that the remaining term in the trinomial factor is also the square of the other term in the binomial factor. Now, try multiplying these pairs of factors on your own. Pause the video now and hit play when you're done with the answers. Okay, let's check your answers. For the first one, you should have gotten x cubed plus 8. Next, x cubed minus 27. Next one, y cubed minus 125. And in the last one, 8x cubed minus 27. Now examine these products more closely. How many terms are there in each product? That's right, there are two. They are binomials. Also, what do you observe about the terms in the product? In the first one, we have x cubed and 8. In the next one, we have x cubed and 27. In the next one, y cubed and 125. And in the last one, 8x cubed and 27. What do you notice? Right, these expressions are cubes. Remember that a cube is an expression that may be written as the cube of another number or another expression. In other words, it can be written as something raised to the third power. In other words, these products may be referred to as sums or differences of two cubes. If an expression is written in the form a cubed plus b cubed, we can factor it as a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Also, if an expression is in the form a cubed minus b cubed, this binomial can be factored as a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now let's answer some exercises. Number 1, let's factor x cubed plus 64. Note that this is a binomial, so we have two terms. And each term in this binomial is a cube. That makes this binomial a sum of two cubes. We can therefore express it as x raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, we can factor our binomial as x plus 4 multiplied by x squared minus 4x plus 16. Next one. Let's factor y to the 6th minus 8. Once again, we have a binomial, so we have two terms, and each term here is a cube. This is a difference of two cubes. We therefore can rewrite this binomial as y squared raised to the third power minus 2 raised to the third power. We factor it then as y squared minus 2 multiplied by y to the 4th plus 2y squared plus 4. Last one. Let's factor a to the 9th, b to the 6th plus 27. Once again, two terms, and both terms are cubes. We can then express our binomial as a cubed b squared raised to the third power plus 3 raised to the third power. We then factor it as a cubed b squared plus 3 multiplied by a to the 6th b to the 4th minus 3a cubed b squared plus 9. Now, try these on your own. Also, tabulate in your notebook the cubes of the first 10 natural numbers like this. Master these cubes so that when you factor sums or differences of cubes in the future, you can do them very, very quickly.